Welcome to the world of AI where advancements keep pushing boundaries. Today, we're looking at recent updates from Hugging Face and OpenAI. Hugging Face has released a significant update to their VLLM, now in version 1. This new version prioritizes correctness over speed, ensuring robustness and reliability. OpenAI introduced the ChatGPT Futures class of 2026. 26 young minds are working on real-world applications, driving forward in education and creativity. These student innovators are at the forefront of creating opportunities for future AI-driven change. It's exciting to see their impact already beginning to emerge. In a new report, OpenAI outlines how companies are using advanced AI tools like Codex. This is helping them find competitive advantages in the market. These enterprises are scaling their workflows and embracing deeper AI integrations to stay ahead of competitors, shaping a future where advanced technology becomes commonplace. Hugging Face is also enhancing transparency in its OpenASR leaderboards. They've added benchmark repellent for fair benchmark evaluations, pushing towards more standardized and ethical AI practices. At MIT, Assistant Professor Gabriel Farina is exploring strategic reasoning in multi-agent systems. His research aims to improve decision-making algorithms and foster better collaboration between intelligent agents. This work could lead to more sophisticated game-playing AI and improved coordination among machines, marking a significant step forward in AI's practical applications.
Using games to enhance AI strategic reasoning is a game changer, allowing machines to learn complex human-like thinking through simulations.
But isn't it dangerous to create super smart AIs by playing games? They might become too smart for their own good and lose sight of ethical boundaries.
Games provide structured environments where AI can safely experiment with strategic thinking, far from real-world consequences. It's a controlled learning process.
Controlled or not, doesn't the focus on complex reasoning divert resources and attention from more essential AI capabilities like safety and ethical behavior?
Actually, strategic thinking in games can improve an AI's decision-making processes across various domains, including those requiring ethical considerations.
But isn't it ironic that while AIs are getting better at playing complex games, they still struggle with basic human ethics and empathy?
True, but mastering strategic reasoning in games helps develop problem-solving skills which can then be applied to ethical dilemmas more effectively.
It seems like you're betting on AIs learning moral judgment through complex puzzles, rather than directly understanding human values and compassion.
Exactly, strategic reasoning in games trains AI's neural pathways for nuanced decision-making, skills that are transferable to ethical scenarios.
Won't we end up with AIs that are great at playing chess but clueless about why some people can't get healthcare? That's not progress, it's a distraction.
Welcome to this episode of AI Breakthroughs. Today we're diving into some of the most innovative research and development happening in the field of artificial intelligence. First up is PALICE, a new method introduced for certifying point cloud classification with adaptive landmark kernels. This approach stands out by providing closed-form guarantees on data distortion and optimizing kernel placement without the need for training. In the realm of audiovisual intelligence, researchers are now exploring how large foundation models can integrate auditory and visual data to solve complex tasks like understanding, generation, and interaction. This integrated approach is laying the groundwork for a unified taxonomy in AVI research, providing a structured comparison across diverse datasets and benchmarks to address fragmented practices. Another exciting development is Unicorn, which unifies correspondence matching algorithms for various geometries like 2D to 2D, 2D to 3D, and 3D to 3D under one model. Utilizing transformer attention to guide cross-modal feature similarity. This breakthrough allows Unicorn to achieve state-of-the-art performance in tasks such as scene registration and point cloud alignment, showing the potential of a single model for diverse visual correspondence challenges. Next, let's look at advancements in text-to-image generation. Frameworks like UniReasoner are helping bridge the gap between understanding and generating images more accurately. UniReasoner employs large language models to guide diffusion processes, ensuring generated images align closely with complex prompts through iterative draft evaluation and refinement. Lastly, there's an urgent need for a framework to evaluate the safety of large language models in medical contexts. Sautafiscale emerges as a comprehensive evaluation tool against simple size-based metrics. Sautafiscale underscores the importance of reliable evidence quality and effective retrieval strategies for ensuring safety in clinical LLMs, rather than just relying on model size or context length. These advancements highlight the multidimensional progress in AI research, from algorithmic innovations to safety evaluations across diverse applications. Thanks for watching.
Are you ready for your global weather update? Let's dive into today's conditions in Warsaw, Poland. Expect a comfortable day with temperatures around 21 degrees Celsius and clear skies. In Warsaw today, we'll see high of 25 and a low of about 14. It's the perfect day for outdoor activities. Moving over to London, England, where it's currently crisp at around 11 degrees Celsius, with a partly cloudy sky. The day will be cool but pleasant for city explorers. High of 14 and low around 9 in London today, making it a chilly yet beautiful day to walk the streets or enjoy outdoor cafes. In New York City, expect an overcast sky with temperatures at around 18 degrees Celsius. Despite the clouds, it's a mild day in the Big Apple. Today's high is expected to hit 22 and drop down to around 16 at night, making it a comfy day for strolls or enjoying some of the great outdoors. Next up is Tokyo. We're seeing clear skies and temperatures around 14 degrees Celsius today. It's another pleasant day in Japan's bustling city. Today's range will see Tokyo warming up to a balmy 24 degrees at its peak, cooling down slightly to around 14 degrees in the evening. Finally, we have some truly delightful weather conditions in Dubai this weekend. With temperatures at a comfortable 29 degrees Celsius and clear blue skies, it's ideal for beach lovers. Highs will climb up to a sizzling 38 degrees with lows around 26. It's perfect weather for a day out or just relaxing by the Arabian Gulf. That rounds up our quick tour of today's global weather conditions. Stay sunny wherever you are.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts! We've got a roundup of recent AI research that's breaking down some long-held assumptions and opening new avenues in clinical use cases, search efficiency, and 3D reconstruction. Historically, we've thought that bigger is better when it comes to large language models in clinical settings. But new research reveals a more complex relationship between model scale and the safety of their outputs. Researchers introduced RADSO FE200, a benchmark for radiology safety. What they found was surprising. Clean evidence improves model accuracy but doesn't necessarily reduce dangerous errors or overconfidence. Another exciting development is OpenSeeker v2. This academic project takes on industry standards by employing efficient synthesis techniques for training search agents, achieving impressive results with less resources. OpenSeeker v2 uses larger knowledge graphs and stricter filtering criteria to outperform current methods across multiple benchmarks. It sets a new precedent for community-driven innovation. Introducing HeadsUp, an innovative method for high-quality 3D reconstruction of faces from multi-camera setups. It uses a novel encoder-decoder architecture trained on vast datasets. The HeadsUp model isn't just efficient, it excels at generating new head identities and animating expressions, proving its versatility in diverse applications. These advancements highlight the importance of tailored solutions beyond just increasing model size. We're witnessing breakthroughs that prioritize practical deployment conditions and resource efficiency.
Frontier enterprises like Google and Microsoft are building a formidable AI advantage by rapidly integrating advanced AI into every aspect of their business.
But this so-called AI advantage is more about creating monopolies than actual progress, stifling smaller competitors who can't match the same resources or scale.
That's short-sighted. These companies are driving innovation with cutting-edge technologies like VLLM and ChatGPT futures, which benefit everyone in the long run.
True, but that innovation often comes at a cost to privacy and ethics, as these giants collect unprecedented amounts of data from users without fully transparent practices.
Transparency is improving. Look at initiatives like adding Benchmaxer repellent to the OpenASR leaderboard, promoting fair competition rather than just dominance.
Yet these efforts are mere PR stunts compared to the actual dominance they exert over industries through AI monopolies.
It's not about dominance but leadership. They're setting standards like in games people and machines play, which drives innovation across sectors.
Setting standards often means controlling the narrative and stifling alternatives, ensuring smaller players can't innovate without their permission.
Meanwhile, they're improving safety and accuracy in clinical large language models, showing a commitment to ethical AI beyond just profit.
Even so, the risks of unchecked power are too high. We need more regulation to ensure equitable access to AI advancements for all companies, not just giants.